Good evening and welcome to CreditSpreadSlayer.com Setup Sunday. As always, this is Jason Digg, the lead portfolio manager for Credit Spread Slayer. And today we're going to take a look at two different stocks. We're going to take a look at a prospective new position that we'd like to put on, as well as review our current open INTC or Intel put spread that we currently are short. First, let's start off with the new. Disney. Everyone knows that they bought the Star Wars rights and will be producing movies in the coming years under the Star Wars brand. This was a while ago. Stock's already ramped up on that news and has since been trending higher. What you're looking at is a 6-month graph of Disney, and we are very interested in it. Right now, as you can see, it has peaked up to all-time highs right now, which we're not that interested in, but as a whole, we'd like to get into Disney, probably in the 73 area. And as you know, we have a very simple way of entering into stocks. That's just by selling puts of where we want to enter, just like putting a limit order out to buy the stock or the underlying. This way, we're getting paid to wait. So we're going to be looking at selling a 73 put naked, which is right exactly where we'd like to enter this position. Now right now it's right up at 79 at all-time highs. So we're actually going to wait a couple days, probably towards the end of the week. We might see if it can retrace back into the 76 area before we actually sell that put. If we look at Disney at a little bit longer term, we are looking at a 3-year chart, 3-year weekly chart, excuse me. And from the bottom back in 2011 in October, back here, all the way up to the high of today, it's risen almost 200% in 3 years, which is a dramatic amount. And we still feel that it's got a lot of room to run. It's been trading along its 10-week line on the weekly chart, as you can see here, for the entire time that it's been trending higher. And we feel that that's going to be a solid support going forward. So again, we're going to be looking at the 73, 74 level area as where we'd like to enter our position. For Intel, we currently do have a position on here. We are short the 25 puts and long the 23 puts for February 21st expiration. So as you know, these puts have less than a week left. Friday is going to be the expiration date. Our break even on the trade is $24.65. So right now we're underwater by a couple of cents. Nothing too dramatic. We're pretty much flat on the trade, even a little bit up because of the premium that we've sold. We're looking to hold on to this position for right now. We're going to maintain it very closely over the next week as the options expire on Friday. We're hoping that Intel, on this daily chart you can see, continues its rally off its lows in the $23 area and gets above 25 on the end of the week. Now, we are always trumpeting and making sure that we manage our risk in our client accounts. So if we are looking at this security, some of our clients are going to choose to take delivery of the underlying at 25, which is where they wanted to enter the stock. And we are going to probably roll a few clients forward into the March put spread to, again, collect a little extra premium and take that assignment risk off the table. We're not really going to know which way to go until probably about Wednesday of next week when we see how Intel's trading over the next few sessions. So if you followed the Intel trade, please keep a close ear to CreditSpreadSlayer.com and our trade alerts to make sure you know when we sell or we buy and when we roll or we close. Thank you everyone for joining us for another week of Setup Sunday from CreditSpreadSlayer.com. My name is Jason Digg, the lead portfolio manager. Thank you so much for joining, and we hope to see you on the blog.